Guys, so I want to show you how I made this delicious one pot rice. It's so simple and easy to cook. So I've already washed my rice. I'm going to parboil it for some minutes. Then after parboiling it, I'll wash it to remove some excess starch and stop the rice from cooking. So now I've washed it and set it aside, and I have some bacon. So I'm going to fry it until it's a bit crisp. You can add some oil if it's sticking on the pot, just like my own. So this is me adding some vegetable oil to stop it from sticking. Then I'm going ahead to add my garlic and ginger that I've already minced. Then I'll fry it for 2 to 3 minutes. Then after frying it, I added my onion as well and fry it. Then as it's frying, I'm adding my salt. After salt, I have some spices: paprika, turmeric, garlic, thyme, rosemary. It just depends on what you want, the type of spices you like or what you have available. So next is my sweet corn and green beans that's already frozen. So I just added some. You can use broccoli or any vegetable you like. So in goes my chopped tomatoes. Then I'm just going to stir it for a few minutes and added my bell pepper that is freeze as well. Then my sauce. After adding the sauce, I'll mix it and just let it steam for some time. But before that, I'm adding some water to let it steam. Then I will now add the rice. Remember the rice, I've already pre-cooked it, so it's just going to take a few minutes before it will be properly cooked. So right now I've added my rice. I'm going ahead to put egg. See, this final egg touch is just everything. So I'm going to break the egg on it and cover it and let it cook. The first time I saw this recipe, I knew it was going to be a bomb, and I tried it. This is so delicious. I don't know, the flavor from the bacon really did justice to it. The vegetables, the egg, everything just hit. Thank you for watching. Hello everyone, let me show you how to make a quick rice recipe that is low budget, very cheap and quick. In this economy, you don't need to be spending a whole lot of money to make a pot of food. So today I'm showing you this low budget concoction rice. So I fried my onion in groundnut oil. I added some bay leaf. I added some fresh rosemary, and I have this blended pepper and tomato in my fridge. So I took some. I'm not going to use all, just a little bit of it. Then I'll fry everything together until that sour taste have gone out of it. You can use any type of pepper, any type of tomato. If you have dried tomato, good. You can also use only pepper, shombo, just whatever that is available. So this is how I made mine. Then I have some fresh garlic, so I'm mixing it into the sauce that I'm frying, and I continue to fry it until all the sour taste is out of it. Then this is my seasoning cube. I add to my taste. I'm using only 2. Use as more or as little as you wish. And I miss my thing, JJ. Then I have this fish in the freezer, so I brought them out let it defrost, then wash it. Now I'm using hot water to wash it because when I wash it with hot water, it remove that signature mackerel fish. You know now. If you know, you know. So after washing it, I'm putting it straight into the pot. Remember, this is 1 pot rice recipe, so everything is going into the pot. I'm not going to use any other thing to cook this food. Then after mixing this pepper, everything together in the fish, then I'm going to let it cook for some time. But before then, I'll add some water. I've already boiled some water down, so I just dump some water into it, cover the pot, and let it boil. I like it to boil. You know, when you boil it first, the rice will not go soggy as it's cooking. So while the fish is boiling, I'm washing my rice, and by the time I finish washing the rice, of course, the soup or what the sauce and the fish have started boiling. Then I put everything inside, add some some ground crayfish. If you have dry fish now, you can just add anything you wish. So after adding it, I mix everything together. I'm adding some nutmeg into it. I like nutmeg in my jollof rice. It gives it this nice party jollof rice taste. So that's why I'm adding it in this one. Then I cover it and let it cook. And this is it. The food is ready. You see, it's very light in color. Remember, this is what I feel like eating at this point. You can add more tomato to yours to make it very red. Anyhow you want it, please. This is how I wanted mine at this time. You can even cook it without any tomato. And you can use palm oil to cook this rice. If you use palm oil for this type of rice, it's always nice. Thank you very much for watching. Please share and like this video. Thank you.